What is going on, guys? It's Bucky and welcome to your very first lesson in how to build a Java stock market analyzer program. Now in this series what we're pretty much going to be building is a program written in Java entirely, and we're going to do things like look at trends of the stock market, analyze the historical data, and kind of pretty much find the best stocks to buy depending on what time it is, and not like time like 9 o'clock, but based on just data that was proven in the past, kind of find the best stocks to buy and how to analyze that. And it's pretty cool. I just thought of this program, thought it would be a neat idea, so I figured why not teach you guys as well. So and another thing, you don't need to be an expert in the stock market, because trust me, I'm not. This is pretty much just learning how to program in Java, and we might as well put it to use building a nice little program. So in order to analyze data, the first thing we need is data. And lucky for us, Yahoo gives us free data, what kind folks they are, and here's what you need to do to get it. And you can do this for any stock you want. I'm going to just do mine for Dow Jones probably. So go ahead and in finance or whatever, I'm going to go ahead and click that Dow. On the left side of your screen, you see this little thing right here that says historical prices. Go ahead and click, and if you want to search for a stock you want to do, and actually you can download a bunch of files and you can run them through this program now, analyze the data for you. But I'm just going to start with one right now, the Dow Jones average. So once you click on historical prices in Yahoo Finance, you get this huge list of prices since the stock first was opened to the current day. So this includes the date, the open price, high, low, close, the volume, and the adjusted close. And this is all the data that we're going to be analyzing. So how awesome is that we just got access to free data? But we can't just use it right from the site. We actually need to download it. So if you scroll all the way down, Yahoo gives you an option that says download to spreadsheet. So let's go ahead and let's open this with either Notepad or Notepad++, and go ahead and click OK. And once you do that, you see that it gives us this huge list of all the data in the history of the Dow Jones. So this is kind of overwhelming if we wanted to analyze this ourselves, so that's why we need to build a computer program to do it. So let's go ahead and we can't just let's go ahead and select all of this using file or edit. There we go, select all, and let's go ahead and edit, cut this, and in a new file paste it again. So paste all of that. Now the thing is, all of these rows are useful except this very top row right here, date, open, high, low, close, volume, and adjusted close. Those are 7 different things, but when we're analyzing this data we can't have that row in there. So go ahead and write that down so you know what each one of these means, and go ahead and delete it. So now we want to get rid of that first row entirely because it's just going to mess us up. So now we have all this data without that, we don't want the title in there because that's for sure. We just want the data to analyze. So let's go ahead and where do we want to put this file? Well, what we want to do is put file, save as, and if you go to your computer, right on your C drive, make a folder called stocks, stocks, and in that folder save this file is a new Dow. I'll do it with you. New Dow.csv. And what CSV means is pretty much a file that's separated by commas in essence. It's what like Microsoft Excel reads and stuff like that. But save it as new Dow CSV in the stocks folder. That way we have it in the same place, me and you. So go ahead and click save, and I already have one and I'm going to replace it right now. So now what we pretty much have is this file in that location. So now we can begin analyzing it. So go ahead and I'm just going to cancel that. Actually, I'm going to click no and get out of here. And let me see how much time I have. It won't even tell me. So now what we need to do is, well, now that we have the data, we're good to go for the next tutorial. So this tutorial is pretty much getting that stock data, and again, you don't have to do it with the Dow Jones, you can get it with any stock you want, but make sure you have some sort of data to use. And once you do, you're ready to move on to the next tutorial where we're going to start analyzing and programming it. And I'm going to make it real simple for you guys. So for now, thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to check out the next tutorial where we will be putting this data to use. So again, thank you, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you then.